Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we will be pranking everybody, saying that we're leaving MSP, and stuff. So let's see reactions. Also, I'm so sorry for uploading. I had to take a break and stuff because family and stuff. But yeah, for now, let's do this. Wait, I hate this. The keyboard is so messed up right now. So yeah. Okay, so, I don't think I'm left. Okay. Why are you playing finally? I'm not alone now. I don't know what to type. I sound like an idiot. It's clear I'm not live. Mm, I like you. I'm gonna be like, please don't quit. I'm just gonna put them like right next to each other just for the purpose. It's gonna be perfect. Okay. Right. You've clearly worked a lot on your account, and of course you're VIP, and mate, I wouldn't waste it. Maybe wait until your VIP ends, and then if you still want to quit, then do so. But I think you shouldn't quit because you seem nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I'm not even like and more loads after all. Wait, I'm just going to send you my YouTube. Because, why not? Right now I have 46 subscribers. Make sure you go and click the subscribe button. Childish. Just childish. Get back to you when people's message back or something. Okay, so this girl just messaged back a big long paragraph. So big. I just feel like you should, maybe if you hate, just block and report them because it really isn't worth getting upset over it. And if not, just there. And if not, and if it's just down to you not wanting to play them fair enough, but I'd wait until therapy ends until you decide any, or just don't be active before, as active as before, and just log in to get the daily stuff. When you decide to come back, I'll give you loads of coins and diamonds. Be back when other people start to message back. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Um, and yeah. I'm like really bold right now. So I'm going to end video right now. Right now because you know y'all know what it is. But maybe comment down below what you want me to do next, and I'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.